Hello everybody, I'm Ezra and I'm here to talk to you about trees today. Or wait, we gotta restart. One way you can tell it's a conifer is because it creates a cone. Another way you can tell it's a conifer is because the leaves are actually more like needles. You can break up the conifer group into multiple smaller groups. Here are 3 examples I chose of groups within the conifer group. You can see that each of these groups, the pine, fir, and hemlock, look a little bit different. Can you think of ways that you could describe of how they look different? So fir needles come off singly, so each needle is all by itself coming off of the stem, and each needle is long and curved, and it's a little bit flat too. Like the fir, the hemlock has needles that are individual. They come off in just one needle right off the stem, no cluster. It's also got broad, flat needles like the fir. Hemlock needles, though, are much shorter and they're straight. So this here is a pine, specifically a white pine. You can tell a pine because the needles are grouped in bundles, or the scientific term is fascicles. So here is a single fascicle or bundle of needles, and you can see how they're all connected together right here. And to tell a white pine from a different type of pine, you can count the number of needles in the bundle. So this bundle or fascicle has 5 needles in it. I don't know if you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this here is my white pine with its bundles of 5 needles, but this pine here is a red pine. One of the ways you can tell that is because the bundles only have 2 needles. See that? Those 2 needles are connected on this end. Here's my white pine with its bundle or fascicle of 5 needles. Here's my red pine with its bundle of 2 needles. You can also distinguish them by the length of the needles. So here's the length of the needles on my red pine, and here's the length of needles on my white pine. You can see that the red pine needles are quite a bit longer than the white pine needles. Hey guys, thanks for joining us again here today at Camp Susquehanna. These are the 4 conifers that we went over today. Remember that this is the white pine, this is the red pine, this is the hemlock, and this is the fir. Do you think that you could identify these 4 trees if you were out on a walk?